Fall 2024 Question 1. Official Excel Workbook Question. This sits in Category 1, Markov/Multi-State Survival Models, difficulty rung 4 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition cue, zeros. Label what is given. Step 2, MLE Likelihood per Life Estimator. Step 3, Euler choose H. Update P T plus H. Step 4, attach cash flows only after probabilities exist. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 1 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids, adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.